the Nubia Z60 Ultra. It is a powerful smartphone that aims to impress with its flagship level specs and stunning design. Here's an in-depth review to look at its key features and performances. First, let's talk about the design and the build. The Z60 Ultra sports a sleek glass front and back with an aluminium frame. Weighing in at 246 grams, its 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate delivers vibrant colors and smooth animation, making it perfect for multimedia consumption. The device is also IP68 rated, offering dust and water resistance, which adds a layer of durability. And the Z60 Ultra also comes in silver and black color options. Now let's talk about the display. With its high resolution and HDR10 support, the Z60 Ultra screen is sharp and clear, providing excellent viewing angles and color accuracy. It also boasts a peak brightness of 1500 nits, ensuring visibility even under direct sunlight. Next up, performance. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and up to 24GB of RAM, the Z60 Ultra handles multitasking, gaming, and intensive apps effortlessly, confirming its status as a top-tier performer. Now let's talk about the camera system. The Z60 Ultra features a versatile triple camera setup. The main camera is a 50 megapixel with optical image stabilization for clear and detailed photos. The next camera is a 64 megapixel telephoto lens with a 3.3 times optical zoom, allowing you to capture distant subjects with ease. And the last camera is an ultra-wide lens, a 50 megapixel, perfect for wide angle shots with a 100-degree field of view. Battery life. The 6000 mAh battery provides excellent longevity, and it supports 80-watt wide charging, meaning you can go from 0 to fully charged in no time. Audio and connectivity. The stereo speakers deliver high-resolution sound quality, enhanced by the Snapdragon sound technology. For connectivity, it supports the latest Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB 3.1. It also includes NFC and an infrared port, adding versatility to its connectivity options. Other features include it runs on Android 14 with the myOS 14, offering smooth and customizable user experience. And it also comes storage options of up to 1 terabyte, ensuring fast data access and ample space for your apps, photos, and videos. The Nubia Z60 Ultra is a strong contender in the flagship smartphone market, offering a well-rounded package with powerful performance and exceptional display and a versatile camera system. And that's the end of this video, so I hope you enjoy. Watch till the end. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button. And see you next time.